Hi everybody, welcome to the Lash. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Jimena, and today I want to share with you guys how to make at home your own eyelash cleanser. So let's go into it. We're going to need the label. I make mine with label paper. If you don't have a printer, you can just use a regular paper with a Sharpie. Next, we need baby shampoo. Any brand will work fine. DI water, it's gonna be our next. And a foam bottle that I found in my house that it used to be the soap from the dishes. And the last, some scissors and tape. We need to measure our label on the foam bottle before we put it on so it has the right measures, and then we're gonna cut it. Remember, if you don't have label paper, you can always use regular paper and Sharpie with the tape. I like to apply tape on top of the label so our label is secure and it doesn't get damaged with the time. Okay, since that is done, now we're gonna put the baby shampoo inside of the bottle and we're gonna use 1/3. We're gonna fill with 1/3 only, and the rest will be DI water. Just make sure that you leave a little space, not all the way fill up, so we can shake it. And here we have our eyelash cleanser, super easy and cheap. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We are always having tips and tricks for eyelash extensions. We'll see you next. Bye.